नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्तईनु या फ़त्ताह।
Juz number 10, Surah Al-Tawbah. This surah was revealed in Medina Sharif. It has 129 verses and 16 sections.
براءة من الله ورسوله إلى الذين عاهدتم من المشركين.
Here is a disavowal proclaimed by Allah and His Messenger against the mushriks, polytheists, with whom you have a treaty.
فسيحوا في الأرض 4 أشهر واعلموا أنكم غير معجز الله وأن الله مخزي الكافرين.
So move in the land freely for 4 months and be aware that you can never frustrate Allah and that Allah is going to disgrace the disbelievers.
وأذان من الله ورسوله إلى الناس يوم الحج الأكبر وأذان من الله ورسوله إلى الناس يوم الحج الأكبر أن الله بريء من المشركين ورسوله فإن تبتم فهو خير لكم وإن توليتم فاعلموا أنكم غير معجز الله وبشر الذين كفروا بعذاب أليم.
And here is an announcement from Allah and His Messenger to the people on the day of the greater Hajj, that Allah is free from any commitment to the mushriks, and so is His Messenger. Now if you repent, it is good for you, and if you turn away, then be aware that you can never frustrate Allah, and give those who disbelieve the good news of a painful punishment.
إلا الذين عاهدتم من المشركين ثم لم ينقصوكم شيئا ولم يظاهروا عليكم أحدا فأتموا إليهم عهدهم إلى مدتهم إن الله يحب المتقين.
Except those of the mushriks with whom you have a treaty and they were not deficient in fulfilling the treaty with you and did not back up anyone against you. So fulfill the treaty with them up to their term. Surely Allah loves the God-fearing.
فإذا انسلخ الأشهر الحرم فاقتلوا المشركين حيث وجدتموهم وخذوهم واحصروهم واقعدوا لهم كل مرصد فإن تابوا وأقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فخلوا سبيلهم إن الله غفور رحيم.
So when the sacred months expire, kill the mushriks wherever you find them and catch them and besiege them and sit in ambush for them everywhere. Then if they repent and establish salah and pay zakah, leave their way. Surely Allah is most forgiving, very merciful.
وإن أحد من المشركين استجارك فأجره حتى يسمع كلام الله ثم أبلغه مأمنه ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يعلمون.
And if any one of the mushriks seeks your protection, give him protection until he listens to the word of Allah. Then let him reach his place of safety. That is because they are a people who do not know.
كيف يكون للمشركين عهد عند الله وعند رسوله إلا الذين عاهدتم عند المسجد الحرام فما استقاموا لكم فاستقيموا لهم إن الله يحب المتقين.
How can the mushriks have a treaty with Allah and His Messenger, except those with whom you made a treaty near Al-Masjid Al-Haram? Then, as long as they remain straight with you, you too remain straight with them. Surely Allah loves the God-fearing.
كيف وإن يظهروا عليكم لا يرقبوا فيكم إلا ولا ذمة يرضونكم بأفواههم وتأبى قلوبهم وأكثرهم فاسقون.
How can they have a treaty while, if they overcome you, they will not observe any bond or treaty with you? They want to please you with words of their mouths, but their hearts refuse. Most of them are sinners.
اشتروا بآيات الله ثمنا قليلا فصدوا عن سبيله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They have taken a paltry price for the verses of Allah, so they have prevented people from His path. Indeed, evil is what they have been doing.
لا يرقبون في مؤمن إلا ولا ذمة وأولئك هم المعتدون.
They do not observe any bond or treaty with the believer, and they are the transgressors.
فإن تابوا وأقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فإخوانكم في الدين ونفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
Then, if they repent and establish salah and pay zakah, they are your brothers in faith. We elaborate the verses for a people who understand.
وَإِن نَكَثُوا أَيْمَانَهُم مِّن بَعْدِ عَهْدِهِمْ وَطَعَنُوا فِي دِينِكُمْ فَقَاتِلُوا أَئِمَّةَ الْكُفْرِ إِنَّهُمْ لَا أَيْمَانَ لَهُمْ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَنْتَهُونَ.
And if they break their oaths after they have made a covenant and speak evil of your faith, then fight the leaders of infidelity, since their oaths are nothing, so that they may desist.
ألا تقاتلون قوما نكثوا أيمانهم وهموا بإخراج الرسول وهم بدأوكم أول مرة أتخشونهم فالله أحق أن تخشوه إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Would you not fight people who broke their oaths and conspired to expel the messenger? And it was they who started fighting against you for the first time. Do you fear them? But Allah has greater right that you fear Him if you are believers.
قاتلوهم يعذبهم الله بأيديكم ويخزهم وينصركم عليهم ويشف صدور قوم مؤمنين.
Fight them so that Allah should punish them at your hands and disgrace them and help you win against them and bring relief to the bosoms of the believing people.
ويذهب غيظ قلوبهم ويتوب الله على من يشاء والله عليم حكيم.
And remove the rage of their hearts, and Allah relents to whomsoever He wills. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
أم حسبتم أن تتركوا ولما يعلم الله الذين جاهدوا منكم ولم يتخذوا من دون الله ولا رسوله ولا المؤمنين وليجا والله خبير بما تعملون.
Do you think that you will be left alone without being tested, while Allah has not yet seen those of you who struggle in jihad and never take anyone as their confidant, other than Allah and His Messenger and the believers? Allah is fully aware of what you do.
ما كان للمشركين أن يعمروا مساجد الله شاهدين على أنفسهم بالكفر أولئك حبطت أعمالهم وفي النار هم خالدون.
It is not for the mushriks to build up the mosques of Allah while they are witnesses of their own infidelity. Those are the ones whose deeds have gone to waste, and in the fire they shall remain forever.
إنما يعمر مساجد الله من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة ولم يخش إلا الله فعسى أولئك أن يكونوا من المهتدين.
In fact, the mosques of Allah are built up only by those who believe in Allah and the last day, and those who establish salah and pay zakah, and who fear none but Allah. So it is hoped that they are to be among those on the right path.
أجعلتم سقاية الحاج وعمارة المسجد الحرام كمن آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وجاهد في سبيل الله لا يستوون عند الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
Have you taken the serving of water to the pilgrims and the maintenance of Al-Masjid al-Haram as equal to the acts of one who believes in Allah and the last day and carries out jihad in the way of Allah? They are not equal in the sight of Allah. Allah does not lead the wrongdoing people to the right path.
الذين آمنوا وهاجروا وجاهدوا في سبيل الله بأموالهم وأنفسهم أعظم درجة عند الله وأولئك هم الفائزون.
Those who believed and immigrated and carried out jihad in the way of Allah with their wealth and lives are greater in rank in the sight of Allah, and it is they who are the successful.
يبشرهم ربهم برحمة منه ورضوان وجنات لهم فيها نعيم مقيم.
Their Lord gives them the happy news of mercy from Him and of His pleasure and of gardens having an everlasting bliss for them.
خالدين فيها أبدا إن الله عنده أجر عظيم.
Where they shall dwell forever. Surely it is Allah with whom lies a great reward.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا آباءكم وإخوانكم أولياء إن استحبوا الكفر على الإيمان ومن يتولهم منكم فأولئك هم الظالمون.
O you who believe, do not take your fathers and your brothers as your friends, if they prefer infidelity to faith. Those of you who have friendship with them are the wrongdoers.
قل إن كان آباؤكم وأبناؤكم وإخوانكم وأزواجكم وعشيرتكم وأموال اقترفتموها وتجارة تخشون كسادها ومساكن ترضونها أحب إليكم من الله ورسوله وجهاد في سبيله فتربصوا حتى يأتي الله بأمره والله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
Say, if your fathers and your sons and your brothers and your spouses and your clan and the wealth you have earned and the trade you apprehend will recede and the homes you like are dearer to you than Allah and His Messenger and jihad in His way, then wait until Allah comes with His command. Allah does not lead the sinning people to the right path.
لقد نصركم الله في مواطن كثيرة ويوم حنين إذ أعجبتكم كثرتكم فلم تغن عنكم شيئا وضاقت عليكم الأرض بما رحبت ثم وليتم مدبرين.
Allah has surely blessed you with His help on many battlefields and on the day of Hunain, when you were proud of your great number. Then it did not help you at all, and the earth was straitened for you, despite all its vastness, and you turned back on your heels.
ثم أنزل الله سكينته على رسوله وعلى المؤمنين وأنزل جنودا لم تروها وعذب الذين كفروا وذلك جزاء الكافرين.
Then Allah sent down His tranquility upon His messenger and upon the believers, and sent down troops that you did not see, and punished those who disbelieved. That is the recompense of the disbelievers.
ثم يتوب الله من بعد ذلك على من يشاء والله غفور رحيم.
Allah relents after that to whomsoever He wills. Allah is the most forgiving, very merciful.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما المشركون نجس فلا يقربوا المسجد الحرام بعد عامهم هذا وإن خفتم عيلة فسوف يغنيكم الله من فضله إن شاء إن الله عليم حكيم.
O you who believe, the mushriks are impure indeed, so let them not approach Al-Masjid Al-Haram after this year. And if you apprehend poverty, then Allah shall, if He wills, make you self-sufficient with His grace. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
قاتلوا الذين لا يؤمنون بالله ولا باليوم الآخر ولا يحرمون ما حرم الله ورسوله ولا يدينون دين الحق من الذين أوتوا الكتاب حتى يعطوا الجزية عن يد وهم صاغرون.
Fight those people of the book who do not believe in Allah, nor in the last day, and do not take as unlawful what Allah and His Messenger have declared as unlawful, and do not profess the faith of truth. Fight them until they pay jizya, with their own hands while they are subdued.
Barakallahu li wa lakum wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Amin ya rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.